Keywords are specific words or phrases used in job postings to describe qualifications, skills, experience, tools, and job functions. You found the right keywords, but now what? You can't just drop them randomly into your CV and hope for the best. In this lecture, we'll show you where keywords belong so they make sense to both applicant tracking systems, ATS, and real people. The goal is simple: help your CV get noticed without sounding robotic. Lecture objectives. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to know which CV sections are best for keyword placement. Avoid keyword stuffing that makes your writing unnatural. Use relevant terms to boost both ATS match and human readability. Where keywords belong. These belong to almost every important section of the CV. Let's look at them, how they can be incorporated into the sections of your CV. Summary section. This is your first impression. Use 2 to 3 of the most relevant keywords here. Think job title, skills, or tools from the posting. Example: business graduate with experience in project coordination, client communication, and CRM platforms. Skills section. This is the most straightforward place. List both technical and soft skills mentioned in the job ad if they apply to you. Example: data analysis, Adobe Photoshop, time management, content writing. Experience section. This is where keywords show real value. Instead of just listing duties, describe what you did using the language of the job ad. Example: instead of assisted with events, try adding coordinated on-site logistics for university events with 100+ attendees, improving guest satisfaction scores. Smart keyword use, not stuffing. There's no magic number, but if every sentence sounds like a list of buzzwords, you've gone too far. Aim for natural placement. Your CV should still sound like you. A good rule: if a keyword doesn't match your real experience, leave it out.